Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic iPhone 12 mini case. So let me do this unboxing and show what's inside this pack. So there are two options with the case. One is with the screen protector, this without it is a metallic shade, and you can see like this was the earlier one was the without the screen protector, and this one is with the screen protector. So here I'm just taking out this protective covering, this kickstand black color case, and then I have to take this small like the silicone thing here, um, remove all this protective covering from this screen guard. So the case will fit well inside, and then you can see the port. So this is a screen protector one, so the insert will go, and then you can put this insert into the main silicone and the solid back. So you should be a little bit careful while putting this. Once this is all catch up, the phone is totally protected overall. And then from the corner, as you can see, all this bumper protection, and also each button and port is easily accessible. There is no hindrance from the case, so you can easily charge. And this is also you can charge through the MagSafe thing, and then from the corner also you can see that it is very protective. This is a kickstand that you can use. See, like it will not fall. There is a little click sound when you use it, so you can just use it to watch movies or do any other thing you want while lying down, and just put it back. So very nice and handy case, protective, and then also looks good in the hands. So you can see it start with the MagSafe charging. So it's pretty nice and very protective case for iPhone 12 mini.